I'm gonna just throw a little underspin jig with a swim bait. First cast. A pike just got me there. So after missing that pike at the bottom of the dam there, I moved downstream a little, and I'm just gonna keep throwing this search bait, which I've been throwing for the last few minutes. Oh, a pike! A pike! Again! No way! So I'm gonna try this Mepps Black Furry, size 5. I heard spinners work really well here. So let's see. Really hit the spinner. I don't think he's there anymore. Oh, I caught him! Yes! Oh, it's a giant! What is this? Oh, a giant smallie again. Another big bass. No way. Oh, man. Okay, let's out of the tree, and then let's grab these and get these pliers out. Pop right out. Here we go. Nice smallie. I hope you guys can see that. Smash the spinner. Let's get a release on this thing. Well, I guess if the pike weren't willing to play, I guess the bass were. Casted it out there and he smacked it, I think about here. Oh, something just hit me again. Bro, they really like this. They like the flash. Oh, did I just catch him again? I caught him I think this is the same one. Is it the same one? Oh, these guys fight so hard. If this is the same one, I'm just gonna quickly let him go. Oh man, this is tricky. Nice fish. Oh, there we go. That's what did it today. A Mepps Black Furry. So I was up at the bottom of the dam. I threw a underspin jig with a swim bait, got hit, missed a fish. I came down here, I threw my GT search bait, I got hit, I missed him. Then I switched to this Mepps black furry, and I think in under 15 minutes I caught 2 nice smallies. I think the first one weighed just under 2 pounds, and then the second one was like 1.1 pounds or something. Really nice fish. But I only have a few minutes left of storage on my GoPro, so I'm just gonna call it a day. Thanks for watching.